my name is Koosje Koene and I love drawing and I love walking in nature and I love drawing in nature. And in May, 27th to 30th of May, I will be teaching a workshop. It's called Drawing in the Wild and it will be in Germany, in the German Eifel. It is beautiful out there. And together we will draw every day, but we will also get to walk through the forest and we get to relax as well because there's a hot tub and a sauna and you will be making plenty of friends in the small group that I will be teaching. So if this sounds like something that really fits you, then make sure to sign up. You can go to machershouse.com and there you can sign up. And I really hope that I will see you then and that we get to draw together and enjoy nature as well.